Good morning, children. I am Preeti Kumar. Welcome to the online computer class. Before we start, let us close our eyes and observe 2 minutes silence to pray for the peace within and outside and also pray for everyone's well being. Let's begin. Children, we are doing chapter 2 GUI operating system desktop management. In the previous chapter, we have learned about features of Windows 7, the taskbar, customizing the taskbar. Today, we are going to learn about icons, customizing the desktop, customizing the Windows setup, and shortcut menu. What are the icons? Icons are small pictures that represent files, folders, and programs. The icons play a very important role in graphical user interface GUI. Let us learn about some commonly used icons. Computer. In Windows 10, the computer icon is called this PC. So you can see in my computer also I have this PC icon. Gives you a view of available drives and their contents stored on the computer system. Double clicking on any drive icon will display the files and folders contained in that drive. So you can see, children, I have this PC icon. When I click on it, double click on it, it will open and it will tell us what are the programs, files, folders and drives are in my computer. So this way you can have a look of it. Now application icons, these are the graphical images that give a quick access to the related application. Shortcut icons, a shortcut is an icon containing a direct route to a specific application, document or a folder. It has a small jump arrow on its lower left corner. So let us see. Here can you see there are different type of icons. So these like EW, this VLC media player, with the icons only we can see and understand which programs they are. So same way shortcut icons. What are the shortcut icons? Shortcut icons help us to take us to open the program directly. And what are the how do you identify that these are the shortcut icons? You will see that small jumping arrows that can you see on my screen? I have a Zoom app and it is having a small jumping arrow in the lower left corner. So it shows that this is a shortcut of a main program, Zoom. So this way, now document icons, the active document window of an application can be minimized to a document icon which gets placed on the taskbar. You can restore the document window by clicking on the document icon. Suppose I have a Windows MS Office Word 2007. So I just open it, and if I want to restore or I want to minimize, so I can do it and it will come on the desktop. Network allows you to access the shared files or device on different computers in a network environment. With these pictures only, children, you can identify what type of icon it is and what program it is having. Now recycle bin. Recycle bin is a folder that holds the deleted files or folders. The deleted files or folders can be restored to their original location from the recycle bin. When you delete any file or folder, so it goes into the recycle bin. It looks like a glass. Now customizing the desktop. What is customizing the desktop? Windows is a quite flexible and provides many options to change the setting of desktop according to your choice. Let us try one of the option and change the color scheme of the computer screen. Right click on the blank area of desktop and select the personalize option. So I am showing you children just like this. Right click on the blank area of desktop and select the personalize option. There is a in the bottom you see personalize option is there. So personalization option helps you to, when you click on it, this window will appear, and from here you can choose whatever type of picture, background or themes you want to place. You can choose from here. Even you can change the color, background, fonts, everything, whatever you wish, you can make a changes with this personalize option. Now clicking on the window color option located at the bottom of the window, select any color to change the color of window's border, start menu and taskbar. Select the enable transparency option. The window glass border, start menu and taskbar will become transparent. Set the color intensity option. It will affect the window glass border, start menu and taskbar color strength. Click on the show color mixture option to set the hue, saturation and brightness. Brightness option to give the color effect. Select the advanced appearance settings option. Window color and appearance dialog box will open. Click on the drop down arrow, place next to the item list box and select active title bar option from the list. Now click on the color drop down list box and select any color of your choice. Similarly, select the font drop down list and change the font settings. Click on apply button and then click OK. Click on the save changes buttons. You will find a change in appearance of the window. So children, I hope all of you understand how can you make a changes in your desktop and you can make a beautiful appearance of your desktop window. And this way children, I am stopping it here. Now dear students, whatever I have taught you today, kindly practice on computer system at home under the guidance of your parents. Students who do not have the computer system will enhance their learning by practicing in the school when it reopens after the lockdown.